Hey everyone, so excited to unbox this ceramic ornament from GearLaunch today. Let's see what we've got here. Oh wow, look at this. Right away, you can feel the quality. This is premium ceramic, super durable, and has a nice weight to it. This isn't your average ornament. The printing is done with UV technology, and you get your choice of matte or glossy finish. Just look at how crisp and vibrant these colors are. All right, let's jump into GearLaunch and make one together. First, click Create Campaign, then fill in your campaign name and URL. Once that's done, hit Create Product, choose GearLaunch Standard, then select Holiday. Here you'll see all the ornament styles: circle, heart, oval, and more. Pick the one you like and upload your design. Drag to center it nicely inside the frame, make sure it fits the safe zone, and boom, it's ready to go. Click Preview to check your mockup, then hit Activate. And just like that, your custom ornament is live and ready for customers this holiday season, all in a few clicks with GearLaunch.